Hi there, I'm an average painter, and in this video I'm going to show you how I went about painting the Elven Blacksmith. I had to look at the label then, the Elven Blacksmith from Reikland Miniatures. As I say, I'm an average painter. I'm not sat here pretending to be anything special. What I do, however, with your help, because these videos motivate me, is I get miniatures painted, and the purpose of this video is to show you how I do that and inspire you to pick up a paintbrush and give it a go yourself. Because if I can get the results I do, and I'm relatively happy mostly with the results I get, anyone can do it because I have no skill really. I just slap paint on and hope. So hopefully this will inspire you. If it does, let me know in the comments below. I love reading your comments, don't be shy. This is part of my series painted through my backlog of Reikland miniatures. I spent years collecting miniatures and leaving them unpainted in a drawer, and I decided to get them all painted, and that's what I'm doing. Over on my other channel, which is Beard Clipper, I put a vote on each of my Sunday vlogs, and the ones that win the vote are the ones that I paint. So it's a nice little bit of community building, and yeah, get over there, check that out, put your vote in there, and you could be with the chance of winning one of these new from Reikland. So yeah, looking forward to painting this one. I think it's going to be fun. I hope you enjoy the video. Let's get painting.